Hey guys, welcome back to L Dubs Investing. If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, thanks for dropping back in. In this video today, guys, we're going to talk about what just happened with Bitcoin. Is it all over? What's going on? And also the latest news. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget, if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want some free Bitcoin, check the description below for Coinbase. Or if you want to sign up to CoinSpot, make sure you hit the notification to be a referral. And hey, if you want a free stock, don't forget to hit the link in the description to get your free stock with stake, and I'll spin the roulette wheel. Let's get into it. Alrighty, guys, having a look at the market today. It just had a massive correction, guys, and obviously it's just flipped green. This is crazy. I've just turned it on. It's just flipped green, guys. You can see some of the cryptocurrencies here in the dark green. Doge is leading the market. It looks like at 22% up. XRP at 10.5%. Bitcoin's at 57,000. Ethereum sitting at 2,200, guys. So obviously Bitcoin has just breached its resistance at 60,000 down to obviously the 57,000, guys. Obviously we need to look at getting back over that hump there, guys. So obviously be careful there, guys. And obviously Ethereum holding steady at its 2,000 resistance there, guys. Let's get into the next one. Americans carry the digital currency higher, but their enthusiasm may be waning. Dogecoin's run over the past week will be one for the history books, guys. However, for all the fireworks, social media data is indicating that the meme may run out of steam. The digital currency, which originally launched in 2013 and has been the center of the number of absurd headlines and scams over the years, notched another chapter in its often buzzing history over the past few days. On Friday, Doge managed to eclipse Ethereum in total exchange volume, doubling, in fact, guys. The capstone to a remarkable run that saw it double its price in a day, capping over 5,000% gains on the year, guys. That's absolutely phenomenal, guys. If you're in Doge, make sure you hit something in the comments, guys. That is absolutely unbelievable. 5,000%, guys. However, as its core, Doge is a meme. A meme are propagated by and fundamentally really on social media. When the meme can't spread, the price will crash, guys. At the time of publication, Doge is down 35% on the day to 2.26 cents, guys. Obviously, as you can see, it's had a bit of a correction. On Friday, Google Trends posted a tweet highlighting the worldwide search habits of Bitcoin and Doge traders. They found that while most of the world remained focused on BTC, American traders only had eyes on Dogecoin. As you can see here, guys, top trends. Is it too late to invest in Doge? What happened to Dogecoin today? Why is Doge going up? When to sell Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin going to crash, guys? Obviously, we all saw it happening. We did have that correction, but obviously, looks like we're going back up again, guys. The uncertainty has spread to Twitter as well. While sentiment for the currency was strongest during its run to 16 cents on April 14th, the waves of sentiment matching volume has been decreasing on the run-up. While the total Twitter volume peaking with Doge's price at 40 cents, it has been slumping for days, guys. So obviously, it was all about Doge, but it looks like it's coming back, guys. Let's get into the next one. Bitcoin price drops to 52,000, liquidating almost 10 billion traders, guys. Please be careful out there. It's a crazy market out there. You don't know where these corrections are going to be coming from, guys. And as you can see, $10 billion in liquidations. That is absolutely phenomenal, guys. Fears of regulatory moves come as a brief hash rate crash from a Chinese power blackout already begin to rebound, guys. Obviously, if you weren't aware, there was a massive power outage across China, guys. And obviously, 50 to 60% of the world's Bitcoin is mined. If there's a power outage across China, obviously the system goes into a bit of chaos, guys. Bitcoin to sudden lows of 52,000 on April 18th is a timely reminder of how price action often follows hash rate, guys. Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradeView showed a brutal hour for Bitcoin bulls everywhere early on Sunday as the market went from 59,000 to 52,000 in minutes, guys. Minutes. Having lost 60,000 support earlier in the weekend, BTC was still fairly stable around the snap price event, which liquidated positions worth almost 10 billion in just 24 hours, guys. You know, this is just crazy, crazy times, guys. In the aftermath, analysts pointed to two events as potential causes: a hash rate crash and rumors from unnamed sources that United States regulatory were about to change unnamed financial institutions with crypto-related money laundering, guys. They always do this, guys. This always comes up in the news. Hash rate, an estimate of a computer power dedicated to the network by miners, crashed by almost half according to some estimates. This was due to a massive outage in China's province, home to a large number of miners, which began 2 days ago, guys. In a classic depiction of an old outage, prices follow hash rate, guys. Prices and hash rate have always been correlated, says Willy Woo. If you guys don't know who Willy Woo is, he's, just follow him on Twitter, guys. Have a look. Willy Woo, who added that as often the impact on price action was temporary and that hash rate had meanwhile already almost fully recovered, guys. So obviously it can go up, it can go down very fast. Obviously a big power outage, the network comes down, it comes back just as quick, guys. Not always, but most of the time. If the outage lasts 3 weeks, then Bitcoin would have a historical large difficulty adjusting, but I think that's unlikely. Either grid comes back online or miners will move their hardware, guys. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, but look, if you want to know more, hit in the comments, guys. I'll be able to do a video on mining and we'll be able to talk through that, guys. Bitcoin's difficulty declines when miners exit the network, but according to the latest estimates, the next adjustment will only see a modest 1.8% decline, guys. So obviously, with more miners connected to the network, it means that the difficulty rate rises, which means it takes longer to mine the next future Bitcoins, guys. When obviously less miners are in the system, it means that the difficulty level goes down, which means that it's easier to produce the Bitcoins through the algorithm, guys. So obviously, the more miners, the safer the network, the lower, the more easier it is to Bitcoin, the unsafer the network is, guys. Just to ultimately put it in a bit of perspective, guys. No panic amongst holders. Meanwhile, another topic allegedly rolling sentiment appears to be a single tweet about the US legal action, guys. So obviously, have a look here. If you want to go have a look on Twitter, go have a look, guys. At the time writing, Bitcoin has recovered about half of its losses to trade above 56,000. Co-founder CTO of on-chain monitoring resources, Glassnode, to classic on-chain metrics as proof now that a perfect time to buy Bitcoin, buys. Obviously, buy the dip, guys, not financial advice, but, buy the dip, guys. The spent transaction output ratio, which measures overall profit and loss, had reset for the first time since after March's all-time highs of 61,700, guys. That's just crazy, guys. That just puts it in perspective to know that obviously, you just got the hash rate is correlated with the price, and it's just something to have a look at, guys. Let's get into the next one. Alrighty, Bitcoin to close April above 90,000, guys. When and where this bull wave will top. Analysts from Plan B calculated Bitcoin could reach 92,000 by the end of April, guys, but will it actually get there? Watch this interview to find out, guys. Obviously, if you want to have a look here, guys, it's on Cointelegraph, guys, if you want to come check it out, guys. The cryptocurrency market experienced a momentum green wave this week. Bitcoin and Ether calmly made new all-time highs on the back of Coinbase's direct listing and the Berlin hard fork. Meanwhile, meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin blasted off to more than 400% gains, briefly claiming a spot as the top 5 cryptocurrency by market capitalization, guys. If you missed that one, guys, that was phenomenal. There was a lot of channels talking about it, guys. Unfortunately, I didn't quite get there. But obviously, this is just a crazy market we're in, guys. Welcome to the bull market, guys. Despite the media hype and market movements over this week, Plan B showed Bitcoin still isn't as overbought as it was the last peak of 2017, 2013, and 2011 bull cycles. He calculated that if Bitcoin were to reach these levels by April's end, its price would clear 90,000 US, guys. Well, there you go. Get the longs going, guys. This explosive week still has many wondering. Does the market have enough steam to continue this bull run? Experienced trader and market analyst says, until I see a weekly reversal, I will not be calling a high. I will not be really pulling out at least of spot markets for that time and just trying to enjoy the ride, guys. So obviously the trend is your friend until the end, guys. That's something to keep an eye on, guys. In the exclusive Telegraph interview, he explains short, medium, and long-term price targets for Bitcoin and Ether, so forth and so forth, guys. Look, if you want to go through and watch the video, there it is. He goes along that, but obviously 90,000, could we see it this month? You never know. Bitcoin can really start going places, but obviously I feel not this month. I feel it's going to be more towards in about at least 2 months' time, guys. At least 2 months' time. Let's get into the next one. All right, guys, if you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget the referral link if you want to use CoinSpot, guys. If you're looking for some free Bitcoin, don't forget to hit the link about Coinbase. And look, if you want to get a free stock from Stake, make sure you hit the link in the description, guys. Let's get into the next one. Alrighty, guys, looking at my portfolio, guys, as you can see, I've had a mighty dump down. I almost peaked at 125,000, now down to 106,000, guys. As you can see here, over the last hour, looks like we've got the top coins here. Looks like Doge is having a bit of a recovery here at 7.7% up, guys. And obviously, if we come down to the bottom, we've got Neo going well, Dogecoin. There's a few coins here, and as you can see here, the most down coins for the day are just down over here, guys. So obviously, as you can see, I'm not worried, guys. This is just a buying opportunity. I'll look at buying towards the end of the week to see what the correction's doing, guys. But obviously, as you can see here, this platform is very easy to use, very much easy to use, guys. Look, if you want me to do a full video on how to buy and sell on CoinSpot, please make sure you hit it in the link below so I can get into it, guys. See you next time.